Spending hundreds on tools? Stop. We tested the top free alternatives that actually compete with paid versions, and the results might shock you. HeyGen tools cost $20 $5 monthly, but free alternatives are closing the gap fast. For creators and freelancers, the right free tools eliminate subscription bloat. Today, we're testing 5 game changers that deliver professional results without the price tag. Let's dive in. ChatGPT free handles content creation. Canva's design features are stunning. Perplexity research is better than Google. HeyGen creates videos instantly. ClipChamp edits for free. Each tool solves real problems. We tested them against paid competitors for versions 1 in speed and usability for most workflows. Free tiers had limits. ChatGPT restricts responses, Canva watermarks exports, HeyGen limits video length. Upgrade when you hit those caps consistently. For most small businesses and freelancers, free tools handle 80% of work. Paid versions add speed, API access, and priority support. Don't choose one. Stack free tools for daily tasks. Invest in paid premium for bottleneck operations. Example, free ChatGPT for drafts, paid Claude for complex analysis, free Canva for social, paid Figma for design systems. This hybrid approach maximizes output while minimizing costs. Which free tool are you trying first? Comment below, then subscribe for weekly tool breakdowns. That's subscribe for weekly tool breakdowns. That's OV money. Or choose one. Retool